Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and add shop member roles to your store on Etsy. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From here, you want to go ahead and get started with logging into your account. If you have not already, in the upper right corner, you can go and sign up for one if you do not already have one. And after logging in, now we can get started with accessing our shop manager. Here you have your shop manager in the upper right corner that once you click on it, is going to enable you to create your shop if you do not already have one. If you have one, it's going to enable you to access your shop settings and manage everything you need, and this is how we can get started. As you can see right here in the Etsy Help Center, we have an article on how to add shop member roles. So you're going to open up shop manager just like I showed you, and then you're going to select the pencil icon next to your shop name under sales channels. So you're going to open up sales channels and scroll to the about section you're going to find there, and then under shop members you're going to go ahead and click the button that says add a personal bio with some fun facts about yourself. You can choose a file using the choose file option and add the member's name. So select the member's role from the drop down menu, and if a particular shop member has more than one role, you can add additional roles as well. After that, add any information you want, select save, and this is how successful you can go ahead and add shop member roles to your store. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.